you have to take a look at the brand new Uninet DTF Xpress printer. The DTF Xpress is a 17-inch direct-to-film printer that's changing everything you thought you knew about DTF printing. There's so much firepower and state-of-the-art features packed into this system. But in order to get the best insight on this machine, we caught up with our friend Craig Spooner, who's the director of sales at Uninet. I'm gonna let him show you around this killer DTF printing setup.
Hi, I'm Craig Spooner, Director of Sales at Uninet, and this is the DTF Xpress from Uninet. This is a 17-inch, completely auto-maintenance DTF printer. And it's really like the first of its kind. It's cartridge-based, it's got 2 white cartridges, 2 cleaning, CMYK. It's 17-inch wide, if I didn't mention that before. It's got 8 Ricoh heads in there, 2 banks of 4. And these Ricoh heads are made to work with DTF ink. They are solid, the resolution's quite high, and they really just don't clog. Because this machine is completely auto maintenance, you don't have to do anything. In the morning, you just take the white cartridges out, you shake them for 45 seconds, you put it in. The wet capping is done automatically, the flushing is done automatically, there is nothing you need to do. Now this machine also comes with an optional integrated powder shaker. So what happens is it slits the sheet after your graphic has been printed. It goes down into the chute. It's powdered automatically. It's cured. There's a fume extractor in the machine as well, and then it comes out the other end as a sheet. And this is your finished product. So for those people who don't want to deal with rolls of a traditional shaker, this is the type of system that you really want. So at the end of the night, if you forget to wet cap manually through the system, it's going to automatically wet cap after 6 hours of inactivity, and this is key. So that means there's never going to be a problem in terms of clogging or anything else. This whole system is also 110 volt. You don't have to worry about special wiring. Both the shaker and the printer itself all run on 110.
That was absolutely incredible. The Uninet DTF Xpress 17-inch printer is available on its own or with the built-in shaker, as you just saw right now at HeatPress Nation. Now, if you have any questions, be sure to comment on this video or get in touch with us at heatpressnation.com.